Hello. Bàbá, ìyá ló sọ̀rọ̀. Bí kò bá pa ìyá mi máa tóbi burúkú ni. Bí kò bá pa yín bàbá, bí kò bá pa ìyá mi, máa tóbi burúkú ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni tí ọmọ mi lè tó ọmọ mi wọ́n ìṣẹ̀tọ́ mi. Tí ọmọ mi lè tó ọmọ mi, tí ọmọ mi lè tó ọmọ mi, ní kú rẹ̀. Bàbá, tí ọmọ mi lè tẹ́ ìyá mi, wọ́n sọ fún yín. Wọ́n mú ìyá tuntun ìgbà yìí. Tí ọmọ mi lè tó ọmọ mi, ẹgbẹ́ ọmọ mi bá ọkọ mi àbí. Ẹgbẹ́ ọmọ mi bá ọkọ mi, tí ọmọ mi lè tẹ́ ìyá mi.
Justice for Mohbad. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn, ohun mi ìyàwó Mohbad lẹ gbọ́ tán nínú ọ́díò yẹn. Níbi tó ti ṣépè fún bàbá Mohbad tó dẹ̀ ti kìlọ̀ fún pé kò gbọdọ̀ pa Liam ọmọ òun bó ṣe pa Mohbad. Ẹ wo ìkànnì Digi Naija TV lẹ́wà fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ṣe ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá wa subscribe sí channel wa. Ẹ má like video wa. Ẹ má drop opinion yín sí comment kẹ́dẹ̀ má share video yìí kiri. Ṣé rí bàbá Mohbad ló gbé ọ̀rọ̀ Justice for Mohbad kúrò nílùú Èkó tó gbé lọ sí Abuja lórí Brekete live TV. Níbi tó ti lọ request pé kán bá òun dìde, kán bá òun jà lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ikú tó pa Mohbad. Ó lóun ní feelings pé òun ò lè get justice mọ́ ní ìlú Èkó nítorí ó ti dàbí gbà pé àwọn kan tó ní agbára wọ́n ti tọwọ́ bọ kéèsì yẹn. Ó ní because of the delay in autopsy result ikú Mohbad. DNA tóun tún ní pé kán bóun ṣe nípa Liam wọ́n kọ̀ wọ́n ṣe. Ó ní and then coronary inquest result àwọn ò gbọ́ nǹkan kan. Brekete dẹ̀ ti wá tẹ́wọ́ gba kéèsì yẹn báyìí o. Wọ́n ti tẹ́wọ́ gba kéèsì ikú Mohbad. Àmọ́ ṣe rí nínú gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó jẹjọ́ lórí ikú Mohbad, ibẹ̀ ni a ti gbọ́ wípé Wùmí gan ti threaten bàbá Mohbad. Kí ni ìdí tí Wùmí ṣe ń threaten bàbá Mohbad? Àwa ò mọ̀. But ẹnìkan wá pè wọlé lórí program yẹn. Ẹni yìí wá sọ opinion pé why tí Brekete ò pé Wùmí fúnra ara ẹ̀ kóun náà wá explain ara ẹ̀ lórí Brekete kó wá sọ nǹkan tó mọ̀ nípa ikú Mohbad lórí Brekete live TV. Mr. Banika wo advice tẹ́ni yìí give yìí. It's a very good advice now. Bóyá tí Wùmí bá come up tó náà jáde síta tó wá ṣàlàyé títẹ ẹnu ẹ̀. Bí ẹ gbogbo bullying tán bully ẹ̀ lọ́tún lósì bóyá ó máa dínkù. Because from the look of things now, pẹ̀lú gbogbo nǹkan tí bàbá Mohbad sọ lórí Brekete live TV. Ó ń dàbí wà pé àwọn èèyàn ti dín gbogbo bọ́n ṣe ń bully ẹ̀ bọ́n ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ síkù àwọn èèyàn ti dínkù. Ó ti wá ń gather people to his side díẹ̀díẹ̀ like àwọn èèyàn ti ń try láti reason pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ àwọn èèyàn ti ń wò pé lóòótọ́ bàbá Mohbad ó really fẹ́ jà fún ikú tó pa Mohbad ni. So it is important at this junction kí Wùmí náà jáde síta kó náà wá sọ títẹ̀ ẹnu ẹ̀. Maybe the bullying will reduce. Nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tí bàbá Mohbad sọ lórí Brekete live TV. Ó ní àìgbé placenta fún òun lọ́jọ́ tí wọ́n bí Liam pé kò ń bury ẹ̀ ló mú òun suspect pé kò ń ṣe Mohbad ló ní Liam. Àwọn àṣírí táwa gan ò mọ̀ rárá nípa ikú Mohbad tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ ló tẹnubọ̀ tó sọ lórí Brekete live TV. Ẹ wo máa fi fídíò yẹn síta fún yín sì kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ pátápátá.
My phone. You can't talk. Where's my other phone? Where's my phone now? Talk now.
It is not your phone. My stores are there too.
Where's my other phone? Yes, let me open the phone. Let's prepare the phone. Where is my other phone? Where is my old WhatsApp? We share the same iCloud with me and you, Abi. But only WhatsApp, me share law. Where is my line? Where is everything? You want to say post after Abi? To ba ti put on Abi, te ba ti pa mi ton do my post conversation be do post Abi. Wo mo kokon. Èmi tí mo ń pè láàárọ̀ fún nǹkan tí mo ń pè fún wo. Wọ́n ní tí mo fi ń pè o, má worry mi. Mo kokon ìwà tí gbogbo family wà like alike. Tó bá yẹ pé ti ń ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀. As in jello. A little ma be shaking. One night I swear to my living God. One night I will never be shaking. I want to go. They come and say, I should money pay me over. Yeah, I will base me low, you base me low, over by me. I hear the patch then. Over by me. Over Shuri Brukuni. No worry now. No worry. Over sharp by me, Abby. What about pulling? Go buy you pata. You was sharp by me. Swallow.
Finished. Adeyanju Tunde, he say yes, the man translated it well. I understand Yoruba very well. Okay. Now for the last time.
Yes, my honorary president. Like as he start with English, the acts of wearing phone, and then he can't reach when he turn to Yoruba. Talk say that is on I won't kill me. Now waiting on I don't they do before. This one now ain't gonna be the last way on I go do, and he can't use Yoruba rankers on them. The cause nobody with something was here. So and he can't talk him for there. He say he get cloth where he talk say he know they wear. He can't carry the cloth put for his head.
When he sleep, come put on his
Talk
head.
to the mic.
Can't carry the
When Mohbad sleep, he can't wear that cloth.
Now Yoruba they speak. Oh.
Okay. Nígbà tí ọmọ yẹn sùn, ó ti ń gbé aṣọ yẹn, ó ti ń gbé ó ti ń gbé sí lórí.
He carry the cloth where he say no go wear, and he can't carry and put for his head.
As he they sleep.
For the talk where he talk, he no mention saying they sleep. He just talk say he carry the cloth put for his head. That is, and he talk say no go wear the cloth. So say he won't just kill him, and it is say if he kill him and or if they kill him, they go scot free. Say it be people where they teach her what she go do. If now waiting they don't they do before her and her family don't they do before. Say now this one now go be the last one where they go do, and now this one now go expose them, because if he die, the whole world go no say nah she kill him.
Okay, the last this thing. The third one, sorry, not the last one, the third one.
Àgbà tí máa jọ sátidé ni mo kúrò nílé, àgbà tí máa gbọ́ òkú ọmọ mi ní ọjọ́ Monday, mo sì pé ìyàwó ẹ̀yìn ọjọ́ Monday àjọ sọ̀rọ̀ kò ju wákàtí kan lọ, wọ́n pè mí èmi gan ni mo tún pè wọ́n pè mí pé mọ́mì ẹ̀wọ̀n ò ní ṣòkú ọmọ o, òun ò ní ṣòkú ọ̀pá o, mo ní kí ni inú ilé ẹni mo wà yìí, ṣó yẹ kí tún máa wà nínú ilé ọmọ mi lè wọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀, wọ́n ṣe àbẹ̀ mí pé kí n wá jó kí n wá ní. Ẹ gbà mí ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà, gbà mí ìyá bí ọmọ ìgbà ní gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ irọ́ ni. Wọ́n ló ya wèrè, mọ nǹkan tó ń pò ní ya wèrè ni. Promise ya wèrè, ó ṣèyàwó, mo ṣèyàwó fún. Ó bímọ, ìyẹn èèyàn. Bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run bòrò kó ọrùn, ọmọ mi ò ya wèrè o. Tó bá sọ pé ọmọ mi ya wèrè, ẹ̀jẹ̀ àwọn tó sọ pé ya wèrè, ẹ bá mi pè wọ́n hospital wo ni wọ́n lọ tó sọ pé ya wèrè. Hospital wo, ó ṣàmì hospital tí wọ́n lọ gbọ́, hospital tó ń lò tó fi ní ya wèrè, resort wèrè dà. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ gbà mí o, ọmọ Nàìjíríà. Àgbà tí máa jọ sátidé ni mo kúrò nílé, àgbà tí máa gbọ́ òkú ọmọ mi ní ọjọ́ Monday, mo sì pé ìyàwó ẹ̀yìn ọjọ́ Monday àjọ sọ̀rọ̀ kò ju wákàtí kan lọ, wọ́n pè mí èmi gan ni mo tún pè wọ́n pè mí pé mọ́mì ẹ̀wọ̀n ò ní ṣòkú ọmọ o, òun ò ní ṣòkú ọ̀pá o, mo ní kí ni inú ilé ẹni mo wà yìí, ṣó yẹ kí tún máa wà nínú ilé ọmọ mi lè wọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀, wọ́n ṣe àbẹ̀ mí pé kí n wá jó kí n wá ní. Ẹ gbà mí ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà, gbà mí ìyá bí ọmọ ìgbà ní gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ irọ́ ni. Wọ́n ló ya wèrè, mọ nǹkan tó ń pò ní ya wèrè ni. Promise ya wèrè, ó ṣèyàwó, mo ṣèyàwó fún. Ó bímọ, ìyẹn èèyàn. Bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run bòrò kó ọrùn, ọmọ mi ò ya wèrè o. Tó bá sọ pé ọmọ mi ya wèrè, ẹ̀jẹ̀ àwọn tó sọ pé ya wèrè, ẹ bá mi pè wọ́n hospital wo ni wọ́n lọ tó sọ pé ya wèrè. Hospital wo, ó ṣàmì hospital tí wọ́n lọ gbọ́, hospital tó ń lò
tó fi no ya wèrè resort wèrè dá ẹjọ́ gbà mí o ọmọ Nàìjíríà.
Talẹ́ ni tó ń sọ̀rọ̀.
Ìyá Mohbad ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn and ó sọ pé Monday níbẹ̀ yẹn yẹn mo pé bóyá ó lè ṣe mistake because Tuesday ni ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀ ó náà ń pray lọ́wọ́ ó kàn ní òun rí òjijì ọmọ yẹn tó kọjá ó wá náà ń pè after 1 hour tó wá fi pè yẹn ni wọ́n á sọ fún pé ìkọ̀kan ṣẹlẹ̀ o ẹ gbà mí o so pípẹ́ tí wọ́n pè ó ti ń bọ́ sí pé ìkọ̀kan ṣẹlẹ̀ ní àárín yẹn. So,
my ordinary president, I ask him so at least Moko they sure of who they for the video where they hear in voice. Since I believe many of us don't know the person. Now ask the late Mohbad father, say, okay, who be this person who watch so we just talk. He talks in that late Mohbad mother. Now we see so. Now her voice. Now she be that. Now in contact say for the video say he mentioned say now on Monday now she make the call. Say but like na mistake now he make there because the incident happened on Tuesday. So say the call now on Tuesday. But what she they talk for the video be say he called. As she called the wife of late Mohbad, he never reached just within few minutes. Now she called back. In fact, she can't say no. Now I even call her again. They can't tell her say, hey, you know, go be mother of.
You never mentioned the shadow thing.
No, she no mention shadow thing. Now the father, the late Mohbad father, they talk about shadow.
Okay.
But for the video, she no talk about shadow. Now come they talk, say come they pray for us. You know go be, your pikin no go die, and she no go be widow.
Who did pray that prayer?
That's Mohbad wife.
They
late
pray
Mohbad
for
wife.
the mother.
Yes, say she no go lost
mother-in-law.
Yes, and then she no go turn widow. That she they come to wonder waiting they happen. Which one be my son no go lost begin and you no go be widow. So say all this waka talk we can they go on now. Say all the talk say na lie. Say she even hear say they talk say in late son he call and promise there just like father talk say in name na him be promised too. Say they talk say they say na mad person say don't they mad. Say, if person they mad, which hospital they carry and go where they confirm say true he they mad. Say person where they accuse say he they mad, he marry, he take care of the wife, he get pikin. All this while he no mad until now. Now they come they accuse him. People come they carry the story, they go up and down say na madness enter am. They waiting happen to us. Say not be waiting do am. Say make the whole world come to her aid. No her pikin, no they mad or make the whole world help am.
This is the more reason why they are just supporting that lady. Because that document, the guy went to school, he can sign document. But they don't carry the document, they will sell them, and the lady will not travel out.
No, these now allegations where we no get evidence on top, sir.
It's in the public space, anyway, let me leave you.
Thank you, sir. We restrict ourselves to waiting happen here. No be waiting we hear for social media or person here for social media. I beg, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, Baba Mohbad. Ní ìròyìn ẹ má bínú sá o. Ní ìròyìn ṣé ẹnì kankan wà tó jẹ́ pé ó pupa fún un nínú ìròyìn àbí nínú ìyàwó yín.
You think disconnect?
Ṣé ẹnì kankan wà tó pupa fún un? Ẹ má bínú o. Ìbéèrè mi nìyẹn.
Okay, thank you. Ingo answer you later. Thank you very much, sir. But when I understand where be my area of concentration, yes, not be property we they talk here now. Yes, we they talk about waiting people they suspect say naim take Mohbad. Say no be normal die he die turn around come and round. Say na kill they kill him. If na kill they kill him, stand up worker normal worker. If na kill then kill him, who kill him? Waiting make them kill him. When them kill him, where them kill him, we know. I don't know whether I understand. Thank you. So, hello, good morning.
Good
Good morning.
Yes, Nahumi and I'm Devano for radio and TV telephone.
This is Bishop Odasha calling from Abuja.
Okay, waiting be your contributor, sir.
Waiting I don't hear from this matter now. With the conversation from the phone, we don't need to even do ourselves anywhere like it. The truth of the matter is already revealed. So if the house can try to invite the mother, the wife of the late Mohbad, and even the mother, so it will at least establish more truth about this matter. Thank you very much.
Okay. Mr. Mohammed, he said Naira Marley said he was having memory loss and not madness. Baba can answer to who said it. Well, person we get memory loss, they sing song, and they remember in lyrics.
That one.
Thank you very much.
Story.
Mr. Mohammed, thank you.